Am I allowed to film you, sir? Right on time, I told you. Dude, everyone's watching you make those weird faces. Oh,
I know,
shit.
I'm just trying to look at your lens. What is it, 1855?
It says Canon Rebel T7i. It's a little outdated, but you know, it's doing the job.
What lens? That's the
Oh.
kit lens?
I don't know. I just point this thing and act like I know what I'm doing.
Here.
Alright, shit. Oh, I fucking left the cash in the car. But $10,
Do you
right?
want me to do it right now or nah?
It's up to you. I mean, $10 includes the labor, right?
You said it had been $10, right?
Oh yeah, but introduce yourself.
We got Seabass Productions.
Oh, that's right. Sebastian, that's his name.
Fuck you, bro. You never. Okay, I think it's from here.
No, like look at this.
I mean, yeah, it'd go here.
Look at the drip. I mean, yeah, that too, but like, I've done it like twice already. I'm kind of pissed. But shit, yeah, this is the Honda. I got Honda friends now, I guess. So
Fuck you, bro.
I guess the channel's going downhill. Guess I'm gay now.
Once I went gay, I never looked back. I didn't even think about it.
Now you just get hit from the back, huh?
Show him your goddamn tire. Show him the wire. That's bling right there.
Bro, that's
Someone's
pretty
gonna
clean.
cut that off and wear it as a chain.
Dude,
There.
Stance Wars is coming up. Do you think they'll let me in? Oh
Is that
shit.
10?
You actually work on shit?
I try.
Try.
A lot of the times I end up calling my boyfriend and he does it for me.
What's the torque spec on this?
So these longer ones right here
Yeah.
are like 60 foot-pounds.
60? Makes sense, makes sense. Honda this, Honda that. We get it, bro. We get it. Where's the VTEC solenoid on this one? Yeah, this is a good angle of you. Keep going.
Do you have
Oh,
a filter on it?
filter. Oh, I have some
Yeah.
kind of lens bullshit. That's probably what's freaking it out. Some dust probably got between them. Dude, $10. This guy's installing it. Give me the O-ring. That's wild. It's like your Hector. I'm just sitting here watching, getting paid by Wally.
VTEC!
Did Hector send you that video of that jet flying
Yeah,
by?
bro, that was too funny. Dude, like 1,000 likes. It's too relatable to too many people.
This is a genuine
Dude,
Honda
this is
Pro.
kind of hot. It's like you, dude.
What the fuck? Hey, yo.
I feel like we shouldn't put Honda Bond on this.
Stop saying that. It's not a word. What the fuck is Honda Bond?
It's its own product.
That sounds so gay. You guys
Dude, you own a Honda, you're gonna... And you wonder why your shit leaks. That's not Honda Bond on there, that's why. That's probably like gasket maker, huh?
I don't know, man.
Save these for later.
What does that even mean? God damn.
People in the comments are like, ah.
What people? Alright, chill. You gonna spit on it next or what?
Just thinking about it. You're so gay, Peter.
How is that gay, bro? Why is everything gay this? Gay that? Damn,
That's
you use your
pretty
mouth
gay.
too? Holy fuck, you can multitask, huh? Jesus.
I was hungry.
Oh, you spit?
You never
You
feed me.
spit? I thought you were gonna swallow that shit for a second. Okay, that was pretty gay. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, since we changed that out, should I ask Wally if he wants to put a base map on it before I start it? What? You think it's gonna be okay? Damn. Dude, there's a lot of things I need to... Look at this headlight's being held on by one fucking bolt.
Bro, get those headlights I told you about. Or I sent them
These
to
are
you.
clean. I bought it for $70.
These ones are like 50 and they're all black, just smoked. They don't have the...
I don't know why. That's like the main headlight for some reason. It's really fucking dim. And then the high beam is hella bright. No one really flashes me about it though.
No, they probably all feel bad for you, Peter. They're like, oh, that poor guy. At least he's trying to be safe and see what's in front of him so this doesn't happen again.
Fuck you. I'm gonna have to figure out my power steering rack too. Dude, that shit is leaking.
Yeah, it's blown.
That's how I keep my fluid secure. Whenever I'm low on fluids, I just pop this bad boy up.
Whoa.
I got it right there.
You did not keep it there.
It's right there. Yeah, that's where I keep it, bro. For emergencies.
God damn it.
What? I don't see the problem with it. Oh shit.
Dude, this thing's
fucking think it's-
scary.
There you go. I don't know why you give me such a hard time about this car, bro. It runs, it's idling good, it sounds fucking nice.
Bondo.
Dude, shut up. Why does Edgar show up rainbow on your phone? Is he gay?
Their name brand, bro.
Who the heck are you with, bro?
Your girl.
Who are you with, bro?
Mi novio.
That's kind of girly. What, Hector? Why is it taking so much?
Dude, let's expose this car.
Yeah, let's expose it. Come on. Let's show
Alright,
him.
we're finna expose this Type R. You ready?
This fucking cyclone.
Let's start with...
No, it's a cyclone.
You gotta light it up, Peter, over here.
Oh, yeah.
What the heck?
Bro, careful with the cords. They're locked in right now. Someone just left it running in Portland.
Wait, actually, bro? Like, you're not even joking?
Nah, bro. Look, it has a backup camera. Unfortunately, this is real race car stuff.
Dude, whose car is it?
Oh,
You're
so-
gonna piss me off.
No, this is Peter's. You know Peter.
Oh, Peter. I'm like, the voice sounds familiar, but I couldn't think who it was.
Peter the Wiener Beater.
Yeah.
That thing's ticking.
Dude, it's
It's literally the fucking, like...
the fender.
What the heck, bro?
Wait, show him the carbon.
I'm guessing it's got that for like 1,500, bro.
Dude, you're punching the air right now. How much did you get this thing for?
28.
28. It's V18.
The B16 with a GSR head, trans, stage 1 cam, stage 2 clutch.
Carbon hood. Needs work. Yeah, it's a carbon hood. They did some like 2000 type
That looks
style.
ghetto, bro.
Yeah. He wants to sand it all down and then re-clear. And you're gonna have to replace these with just fresh ones.
Bro, why are you exposing me so hard, bro? Show him the flake, bro. Show him the flake.
You're gonna have to use your light.
Wait.
Dude, this thing actually has a... Do you care if I...
Do you think I care? What?
You see how it's all rainbow?
I do see it. Yeah.
Bro, this thing's gonna go hard during Pride Month.
It actually looks pretty cool.
Dude, just buff and cut that thing.
Dude, it needs paint.
What wheels does it have?
What do you think? It's a Honda. Bro, I don't know. It keeps dying now. This is probably your work, honestly. Ever since you put that O-ring in, it just keeps dying at idle. Watch it do it again.
I'm sure it will.
He's dying at idle, like after he tries. Wait, each time he tries taking off, it dies?
No, just sitting here without doing shit.
Bro, did
It
you
could
check your
be.
oil level before you rip it? Since it's been leaking hella? Just check it real quick. Just leave it here.
Fine.
Yeah, because
Let me
that thing
pop my
burns
hood.
through oil. And
You gotta pop my hood real quick.
That
Show him.
thing's
Oh,
probably
this?
missing like 2-3 cords. That'd be sick. You're being fast. I wanna fix that.
Dude, this thing's so limp.
Shut up.